Welcome back to Beaufort County News and Views. I'm Catherine Glover. I'm the Director of the Chamber of Commerce in Washington for Beaufort County as well. I'm speaking tonight with Dr. Priscilla Denny, and she is the CEO of Prisca and also the President of Carolina Solar Training. Welcome back, Priscilla. We've been talking about the Eco-Daisy product lines, and that's kind of under Prisca, so let's talk about Carolina Solar Training because we have not done it yet.
Well, this is a passion of mine, renewable energy. It is part of the new clean economy, as they call it, but I mean, solar energy has been around forever. The actual application of it in a commercial way has been around for decades. And now resurgence is really, I think, going to be a permanent one. And the reason for that is that we're working very hard, the industry is working very hard to make sure that the cost for manufacturing the solar modules, as most people have seen on, people's rooftops, those are called solar modules, they are actually going to be less than $1 per watt to install, and also for the actual module themselves. And that is actually a very big step in the industry, because what it means is that from a consumer standpoint, finally a solar system will be affordable. And this is, I'm talking about photovoltaic. The PV systems will really be affordable. Those are the ones people are most familiar with. There's also another type of system called solar thermal that we use the sun's energy to heat up hot water, and you could use that hot water obviously for your dishes, your laundry, for bathing, and also for to a certain extent will heat pools. But then you can also use it for radiant floor heating. So at Carolina Solar Training, what we're doing is we're actually training folks in system designs, in the solar photovoltaic system designs, as well as the solar thermal system designs. We just had our last training actually last week. It was a fantastic training. We have a partnership with the National Council on Aging. That partnership allows us to invite individuals who are 55 years and older to come be trained on this new technology. So last week was the first week of the partnership. It was amazing. It was a great experience. We loaded up actually some pictures on the website on carolinasolartraining.com, and next training is actually, we're planning that right now. So if you check on the website, you'll find out when our next training is, or you can call us at our offices. But Carolina Solar Training was sort of born out of two things, of necessity and out of passion I have for renewable energy. The necessity comes really in the fact that we're in North Carolina. We're in an extremely important market, I believe, for solar training, and also for the business, allowing it to proliferate. There are not a lot of solar training centers in the Southeast. There's one in Florida, there's the Solar Center, and there's one in Charlotte. Now there's one in Eastern North Carolina. I mean, Carolina Solar Training is actually capturing a market actually that we haven't here to before. And now what we can do is invite people in just in this area to come in and learn and to actually start their own business. We have business development support, actually teach them the design. We have folks who are the trainers have more installation hours than anyone else in the country. So we are very, very pleased to have world-class training and world-class in a modern facility. So really excited. We've had a great experience last week. People came and learned about the safety aspects of solar installation. They learned about the design. They got hands-on. They learned how to actually build a system, put it and install it on. We have mock roofs that we install them on, put them on the actual racks as if we were installing it instead of on a flat rooftop or commercial rooftop. We learned about all of the interconnections between the actual models themselves and the AC/DC disconnects and the inverters and the combiners and panels, and they were so excited. I mean, this gave them a new lease really on life.
Because it's retraining. A lot of them had training in something else, and this was a chance to retrain. And I do think that's the direction we'll move.
You're absolutely right.
Renewable energy.
It is, and fortunate for us, we're in North Carolina. I mentioned before, this is a great area doing it. Well, there is an executive order actually that's been in effect for quite some time now for all of the military bases actually to go green. So our goal is to farm enough people who are trained in this field be able to go on to military bases and work with companies that are already there actually that have solar contracts. So we're starting as a result of that Green Coast Staffing, which is a staffing agency where we can actually have people hired out to go on various jobs and work and get further experience and also build their portfolio if they want to start their own business. And we're really encouraging that to folks who have an entrepreneurial itch to go out and do their own thing.
That's wonderful. Now, somebody wanted to get in touch with you, because I know we're going to be wrapping up in just a minute about the upcoming training, or also about the products or anything else. How would they do that?
Okay, well, there's several ways. I'll start with the website, carolinasolartraining.com. There's also our phone number, which is area code 252-946-1435. And there's also email address, which is train@carolinasolartraining.com.
And you are looking ahead for another training, so you said you're planning that.
Yes, that's right, planning it right now. Just wrapped our last one up last week, Friday, and getting ready to plan on the next one. So either call us so you can get on the email list, email us, you can get on the email list, or go to our website, carolinasolartraining.com, and you'll see the list of courses that are there, as well as additional ways to contact us. We also do have an 800 number, or I should say a toll-free number, 855-5-GO-SOLAR.
Wonderful. And so if you definitely want to attend these trainings, they had 11 last time, which is a great number, so go ahead and get on this email list and look up the website. You can also call the Chamber. We have contact information as our Chamber members. And thank you for being on so much. This is an awesome opportunity for me to learn more about what you do, and I'm very impressed.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
And real fast, you can pick the products up, the website, also Taylor Hospital Pharmacy and the Farmers Market in Newbern.
That's correct. EcoDaisyUSA.com.
Wonderful. The next one, Beaufort County News.